Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Coleman lantern parts is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any outdoor enthusiast or anyone who enjoys the ambience of a well-lit space. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a backyard griller, or simply someone who appreciates a reliable light source, understanding the components of your Coleman lantern is key to keeping it shining bright. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Coleman lantern parts, exploring everything from mantles to generators, and helping you keep your lantern in top condition. Number 5. Coleman String Tie Lantern Mantles. Introducing the Coleman String Tie Mantles, a perfect solution for your fueled lanterns. This 4-pack of number 21 string tie mantles is designed for easy installation and optimal performance. Changing mantles has never been easier. With the string attachment, you can effortlessly replace the old mantles. It's a quick and simple process. These mantles are compatible with multiple Coleman fueled lantern models. Whether you have a 200, 201, 214, 220, 275, or other models, it will fit your needs. Proudly made in the USA, these mantles promise quality and efficiency. You can trust in its durability and endurance for all your outdoor adventures. Ensure bright light on all your camping, hiking, or outdoor adventures. It is an ideal replacement part, making sure you're never left in the dark. What we like. These mantles are incredibly easy to install, thanks to their string tie design. They are also compatible with a wide range of Coleman lantern models, making them a versatile choice. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use replacement for your lantern, you should consider these. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is great. The function is perfect. Number 4. Coleman Clear Glass Lantern Globe. This is a genuine Coleman replacement globe. It's made with the same quality and clarity as the original. This will restore light output and protect the mantle. This globe is compatible with a wide range of Coleman propane lanterns. It also works with dual fuel and liquid fuel models. It's designed for versatility. Whether you have a propane, dual fuel, or liquid fuel lantern, this globe has you covered. It's a convenient solution for various Coleman lanterns. It's easy to use. The clear glass construction is engineered for everyday lantern use. It's designed to withstand heat while keeping the light bright and consistent. This ensures safety. Quickly swap in this new globe to replace cracked or chipped glass. It will return your lantern to safe, reliable outdoor use. It's perfect for camping and emergencies. What we like. This globe is made with OEM-quality clear glass, ensuring optimal light output and mantle protection. It is also compatible with a wide range of Coleman propane, dual fuel, and liquid fuel lanterns. If you are looking to restore your lantern's performance and safety, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is great. The function is perfect. Number 3. Coleman Repair Kit, Stove and Lantern Pump Parts. This Coleman Repair Kit is designed to keep your stove and lantern in top condition. It includes all the essential parts you need for quick and easy repairs, ensuring your equipment is always ready for your next adventure. The kit comes with simple components, making assembly straightforward. You won't need any special tools or skills to get your gear back in working order. It's designed for ease of use. This kit is compatible with lantern model 226 and stove models 442 and 550. Check the labels inside your stove lid or on the legs to find your model number. This kit is versatile. This repair kit is made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust that the components are durable and built to last, providing dependable performance for your outdoor gear. Ensure uninterrupted operation of your essential gear with this kit. It's perfect for camping trips, allowing you to quickly fix any issues and keep your stove and lantern running smoothly. This kit is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. The kit includes a plunger assembly, pump cap clip, push-on nut, and cushioning spring. These parts are all you need to get your Coleman stove or lantern working again. It's a comprehensive solution for your repair needs. The Coleman 300-000-5097 Pump Repair Kit C006 provides dependable equipment repair. It's a reliable solution for maintaining your gear, ensuring you can enjoy your outdoor activities without interruption. This kit is a great choice. What we like. This repair kit comes with simple components for straightforward assembly, ensuring your gear is always ready. It is versatile, compatible with both lantern and stove models. If you have a Coleman lantern or stove and want to ensure uninterrupted operation, you should consider this. What people say. The product works perfectly. The design is great. The function is perfect. Number 2. Coleman 242J 52014-inch Universal Plunger Repair Kit. This is a universal plunger repair kit from Coleman. It is designed to fix your stoves and lanterns. This kit will get them working again. The plunger is 4 inches long. It is a metal part that is built to last. It is a great replacement part to have on hand. This plunger is compatible with many Coleman stoves and lanterns. It works with several different models. Check the list to see if it fits your equipment. This kit is designed for both stoves and lanterns. If your stove or lantern isn't working, this might be the part you need. It's a simple fix. Replacing the plunger is a straightforward repair. The kit is easy to use. It will help you get your gear back in action quickly. What we like. This plunger is designed with universal compatibility, fitting a wide variety of Coleman stoves and lanterns. Constructed from durable metal, it ensures long-lasting performance. If you like having a reliable part that works across multiple models, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is great. The function is perfect. Number 1. Coleman 300-000-0454 Filler Cap Lantern. This is a Coleman lantern. It's designed for camping and outdoor activities. This lantern is a quality product from Coleman. The lantern is made of the highest quality materials. This ensures its durability and reliability in various conditions. You can depend on it. It's perfect for camping trips. It provides bright and reliable light. It will light up your campsite. This is another quality product from Coleman. Coleman is a trusted brand for outdoor gear. You can trust this product. This lantern is a great choice for anyone needing a reliable light source. It's easy to use and provides excellent illumination. It's a great choice. What we like. This filler cap is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. It's designed specifically for Coleman lanterns, making it a perfect fit. If you are looking for a quality Coleman product to keep your lantern running smoothly, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is great. The function is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.